In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for cookie cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra S1. The Anycubic Kobra S1 is a high-speed, high-precision 3D printer designed for seamless and precise printing experiences. It features an ultra-stable Core XY construction with dual-motor drive and the Kobra OS system, allowing for a travel speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration of 20,000 mm², which minimizes vibrations and enhances the extruder's responsiveness and precision. The printer comes equipped with LeviQ 3.0 technology for effortless automatic bed leveling and Z-axis compensation, making it user-friendly right out of the box. It is compatible with a wide range of mainstream filaments, thanks to its full metal hot end capable of reaching 320 and a hotbed that maintains up to 120. Users can choose from multiple nozzle sizes to suit their printing needs. Additionally, Anycubic's Mako Online model library provides access to a vast collection of free, high-quality model resources from over 3,000 designers worldwide, enabling one-click printing. It's important to note that the Anycubic ACE Pro for Kobra 3 is not compatible with the Kobra S1 unless upgraded, and users should update to firmware version 2.4.8.3 or later for additional features. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Comgrow Creality Ender 3 is a basic 3D printer model designed for students and beginners to enhance their hands-on skills. It features a resume printing function that allows users to continue printing even after a power outage or lapse, ensuring uninterrupted work. The printer is made from aluminum and comes in black, with dimensions of 17.32 inches in depth and width, and 18.31 inches in height. Weighing 15.43 pounds, it requires approximately 2 hours for assembly as it comes with several pre-assembled parts. The Ender 3 is equipped with advanced extruder technology that significantly reduces the risk of plugging and bad extrusion, while its V-shape with POM wheels ensures smooth, noiseless, and durable movement. The printer has a safety-protected power supply, taking only 5 minutes for the hotbed to reach 100 degrees. It can print via an SD card or computer connection but not through a phone connection. Before delivery, key components undergo strict testing, and users are advised to ensure the power supply voltage is set to 115V to avoid automatic power-off issues. Number 3. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus 4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed to cater to both professional and beginner users seeking efficiency and versatility. With a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches, it enables simultaneous printing of multiple models, enhancing productivity. The printer features a second-generation active chamber heating system with a powerful 400W heating capability, air circulation design, and dual-layer insulation to maintain consistent chamber temperatures, reducing warping and cracking in high-temperature filaments. Its upgraded 80W high-temperature hot end can reach up to 370 degrees Celsius, supporting a wide range of filaments such as PPSCF, PPACF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, PET, and more. The X Plus 4 is user-friendly, allowing for quick setup and operation within 10 minutes of unboxing. It offers remote printing and real-time progress tracking via the QIDI mobile app or Studio Slicer, and is equipped with an HD camera for monitoring and time-lapse photography. The printer's robust construction includes an independent dual-motor-driven Z-axis, a thickened aluminum hotbed platform, and enhanced linear shafts and lead screws for improved precision and durability. Additionally, it supports multicolor printing through an integrated filament cutter and is compatible with the upcoming QIDI box for automatic multifilament feeding, set to launch in early 2025. Number 4. Tina 2S 3D Printers. The Tina 2S 3D printer is designed specifically for kids and beginners, offering a user-friendly experience with its compact and fully assembled design. This mini 3D printer by QIDI is equipped with Wi-Fi printing capabilities and features auto leveling, making it easy to set up and start printing without the hassle of manual adjustments. It operates with open-source firmware, providing flexibility and customization options for users who want to explore advanced features or integrate additional functionalities. The printer is compatible with PLA, PLA+, and TPU materials, allowing for a variety of printing projects and creative possibilities. With its focus on simplicity and accessibility, the Tina 2S is an ideal choice for those new to 3D printing or looking for a reliable machine for educational purposes. Number 5. MALYAN M323D Printer. The MALYAN 3D printer is a user-friendly, fully assembled FDM printer designed for beginners, featuring a robust all-metal frame for enhanced stability and durability. Its printing size is 150 by 150 by 150 mm, and it supports a wide range of extruder temperatures, making it compatible with most 1.75 mm 3D filaments. The printer comes equipped with a heated build plate and a removable magnetic build plate that ensures strong adhesion and easy model removal, ideal for home, school, or office use. It supports STL, OBJ, and G-code file formats and is compatible with personal computers. The printer is factory calibrated, requiring only a quick check for bed level before use. Additionally, MALYAN offers lifetime technical support, promising prompt assistance within 24 hours for any issues or questions.